Native Americans created woven basketry for utilitarian, ceremonial, and commercial use. These baskets were created using Old World techniques, making them highly collectible today. Here we have a vintage Pima coiled, flared, and footed basket made of willow and a dark plant called devil's claw. You can see a thick layer of dust and grime. Today we are going to show you how to remove this grime using simple techniques without compromising the integrity of the fragile woven fibers. Here are the supplies you'll need. A feather duster, soft hair brushes, a cotton cloth, and cans of compressed air. Start with the feather duster to remove loose surface dust. Then move on to compressed air to blow out particles and remove dirt trapped deep in the weaving. The brushes will reveal contrast between the willow and the devil's claw. Be careful not to press too heavily. You don't want to snap off any pieces. Lastly, use the cotton cloth to wipe down the entire basket. You should see more details in the weaving and bolder contrast without damaging or removing the patina.